Hi, and welcome to our 10th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean. You can refer to me as DJ. I'm from the Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Today we will be reviewing items on the toolbar in Excel. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks, accounting, and software. So let's begin. The items that we're going to take a look at today are as follows. We're going to look at right-click options, sorting and customizing, and find and select. So let's take a look at an Excel spreadsheet example. Alrighty, I have made a spreadsheet for you to give you some ideas of how a spreadsheet can be set up. What I like about it is you can custom design everything you want in any way, form, or fashion. Okay, so it's up to you. You can put your business logo, a photo, whatever. The one thing that I can say, and I probably said before in our podcast, you probably heard this before, always do a Control S, which is Control Save. When I'm doing a chart like this, I might hit it 10 times, only because if there's a power failure or an outage or somebody trips on a cord and it comes unplugged, you don't want to lose all the work that you did. So if a power surge did come through, everything, if you did not do a Control Save or a Save As, everything that you did would be gone. I do it quite frequently because if there was a power surge, everything from your last Control S would be there, okay? If it was an hour ago, you're going to lose an hour's of work. So I would highly suggest to always do Control Save periodically throughout your document. Okay, so let's take a look at the right-click options. If I take my mouse and I click on the right-hand side, it's going to give you options. Up at the top here is like a very small toolbar. It's the same thing as the ribbon or the access bar at the top. It's just smaller, condensed, and doesn't have as many options. You can also go down and do things this way as well. Okay, same thing as it is up at the top. You just make your choice and click OK. All right, so that's nice. That's the right-hand button on the mouse. Next, we're going to take a look at sorting and customizing. If you look up again at the toolbar and or ribbon and you click on sort, you'll see that you can sort, let's say your chart, the description columns, okay, which is to the left-hand side. You can do that A to Z. You can even do a custom sort, which is nice. If you click on that, oh, we couldn't do this for the selected range. Oh, okay. Well, I'm just talking, giving an example. So it wants me to play for real. So what you would do is you'd highlight the area, okay, that you would like to be sorted. Then you would go into sort and filter, and you would sort. Let's do a customize. Okay, it would sort by your description column, which if you look over to the left, your description column is A, okay? Then your values, I would just leave that as is in the order A to Z, okay? And then click on OK. And what it would do, this is already in order, but it would alphabetize that area in order for you. The next thing we're going to take a look at is find and select. Up here on the top right-hand side, if we click on that, if you say find and you type, let's say, the word nails in there, because I know over in the shop supply I have nails, okay? And if I say find all, what's good with the find and select is it's telling me exactly where the nails are in this chart, and right here in the cell number, it is telling me exactly what column in what line. In this case, it's column A, and it's line 11. That's where I would find the nails up here. So, if you're searching, instead of going and reading the whole thing yourself, you can just pop in a word up here, and it'll find all those for you. Very nice feature. Very nice. Okay, so if we made any other changes, let me just hit a Control-Save. Okay, there's so many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. To reiterate, what we went through today is the right-click options, the sorting and customizing, and the find and select. Excuse me. Just getting over a cold. Humans, huh? Okay, we have touched on a few. What you can review any one of the podcasts as many times as you wish. Our clients are our number one concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these podcasts and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you very much for taking the time to invest in your future and to learn just a little more about the Excel program. We also provide you a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that's perfectly fit for your needs and allow you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs that will help you streamline and be more cost efficient. We'd like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast videos from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to Excel Podcast Video. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Thank you so much. Bye now.